YouTube. Yeah, it's the #1 bonkers family.
Yes, sir.
Bonkers. Oh, hey, come on. Yeah, listen. I've done a mad one again. I can't even call it a prank. But all you need to know, yeah, Giz, she is going to be screwing because I'm a barber. I was just bored. I've just seen my son and I've seen him go like this. And then I thought, aha, that gave me an idea. So me being bonkers, what have I done?
Tell me.
What have I done? Well, obviously, you should already know. I've had to put slits in his eyebrows, but not any normal slits. I've done these slits.
Villain slits.
Yeah? So you know that Giz, she is going to be what? She's going to be screwing, isn't she?
Yeah.
But we're going to try and hide them away from her as long as possible, yeah?
Balaclava.
Yeah, you could wear balaclava in COVID. You see people wearing all sorts of things, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, stay tuned. We're going to have to disguise him some way, somehow. But stay tuned, yeah? Trust me, turn on your notifications, subscribe, yeah? Trust me. Make sure you, after when you watch this video, yeah? Make sure you like and that, yeah? Drop some comments and that, man. We like to see comments. We need feedback, yeah? Feedback.
And the light bulb turns blue.
Blue? What? It turned blue.
Great blue.
And if you unsubscribe, what's happened?
You're gonna have bad luck for the next year.
Yeah, you don't want no bad luck for the next year. So, yo, subscribe, yeah? Kiss. Oh, yo. Oh, she's coming in the yard. She's coming in the yard. She was supposed to, yeah, be in the car. And listen, yeah. Look. Oh, wait there. Oh, yo, listen, yeah. Oh, we're getting threatened on the way.
You are getting threatened. I will smash the car through a wall. Help me.
Said, yeah, if we prank her, yeah, it's going down. She's threatening us. I'm scared now. I really am scared.
Does anybody want to mess with me and B&Q right now?
Yeah,
I need to decorate. I've
Going
got
to
20. Get out of the way,
yeah, man,
you stupid woman.
Road rage. I think it's you. Women drivers, that's what it is.
No, it isn't. Why does it take 20 minutes to go around the bend? God. Kiss
I don't know if you're able to see that number plate. Aye. But anyways, yeah. He does not know.
Yeah,
what is going on.
Buzz does not know what will happen to him if he pranks me or does anything to me. You pranked me the other day putting donuts in my face. You're the only donut in this car. It ain't gonna happen again.
Me? Okay. For that.
Coming from the geezer that chucked whipped cream all over his face.
Yeah, man, I had a little fun in it. I had to put some smiles and that on,
Oh yes,
on my son's face.
Without with no hairline.
Right, you've got no hairline?
Without.
Well, I ain't got no hairline at the moment.
You've got no hair anyway.
It's missing, you know what I mean? It grows back though, you know, does wonders and that. I dash a few fibres in there, pop! You get me? It just don't come out on a rainy day because it's a saga.
Everyone will think you're crying with mascara running down your face.
Just drop off, come in, you know what I mean?
They'll start calling you Puzzle.
Puzzle, oh God. Puzzle.
Hello, Puzzle.
Hello, Puzzle.
This
Yes.
Audi, is it someone in front of the Audi?
I don't know, man, it's Sunday drivers and that on a, what day is it today? Friday, innit? And we got people driving like it's on Sunday. Oh well, listen, stay tuned anyways, yeah? Stay tuned, because the next clip you're going to see is what we've all been waiting for. Yeah, basically we're here now, we're at the destination, yeah, and we bumped into some friends, yeah, from the school, yeah. Listen, yeah?
I don't know what's going on.
Levs,
now,
yeah?
really.
Levs, take off your hat, Annabelle. No?
What have you done to his eyebrows? Oh.
Hey, listen, yeah, it's a saga, bro. Listen, look at his hair to squat. Hey, see you later. Hey, listen, it's a mad one, listen. Giz is screwing, look, he's screwing. Giz, listen. Listen.
I ain't actually.
You do this habit in the GC space
Let's have a look into there, yeah. Do you dare me on my next prank to get involved and do something
with me?
with them? Look at the camera pointing it.
Are you stupid? I am not stupid.
Please. I feel a bit. Oh.
Yes, that's how I see. It's like fire. Play with fire, you must get burned. Play with a cactus, you must get stoned. Yo, I was coming on too sick, man.